So, Ash, how did you get up there? You used your little stool and you climbed up on the counter. What are you doing up there? You're sitting? And then what are you going to do? You don't even know what you're going to do you?
Yeah, baby. Down. Baby, sitting.
You're sitting, huh?
Baby, sit.
Okay, maybe you should get down so you don't get a boo-boo.
No, baby, balo.
You're better?
Yeah, balo, baby, boo-boo. Baby, balo. Balo.
Oh, show me that again. What happened to your boo-boo? What boo-boo? Is your boo-boo better?
Yeah, balo. Baby, see. Baby, see.
Where was your boo-boo?
Baby, see.
Where was your boo-boo?
Baby, see.
I'll show you in a minute. Where's your boo-boo?
Boo-boo, see.
Dorcas. See, I'm going to zoom in so people don't think you're just a 3-year-old who's fixated with what most 3-year-olds are fixated with. So you going to get down?
No, see. Baby, see, boo-boo.
You're going to stay right there on the counter?
Yeah, side the town.
How old are you? How old are you, Ash?
They are us.
You're a big one?
Baby, my.
Okay. You going to get a popsicle out of the freezer?
Yes.
Can you show me how? No?
Baby, see, boo-boo.
Where's your poo-poo?
Baby, balo. Baby, wow. Baby, sleigh. And kids, what? Baby,
What's your name?
name.
Your name is Ash?
Name. It's us.
Yeah, Ash. Okay, say bye-bye. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.